Hey, welcome back to Hemlock Ridge. Glad you can make it. Boy, I'm excited. I haven't been back here on the property or to the cabin in almost a month. And part of the reason is we've had an incredible winter. It has been nonstop snow, cold, well below zero temperatures for over a month. Had a little break in the weather today, and I'm snowshoeing through probably a good 2.5 feet of snow to get back here. And it's 19 degrees out. We're supposed to get another 18 inches tonight, so I've got a limited window to get back here. Otherwise, I'm going to be snowed in for a few days. But it is just beautiful. Hey, if you haven't already subscribed, I'm so excited to hit 500 subscribers. So go ahead, hit that subscribe button down below, and you'll get more updates like this from up here on Hemlock Ridge. But today, I'm excited because we're going to test out the new Coleman Camp Oven. I got this. Want to test it out on the wood stove, see how it heats up, and we'll do a quick review in case you want to use it. I'll tell you how it works. In any case, welcome back here to Hemlock Ridge. Glad to have you here. So cold day out here today. I've got my girlfriend with me, and I hate to say it, but she's a real dog. And, oh, sorry, didn't mean to hurt your feelings. And it's only 20 degrees in here. It's going to take a while to get the cabin warmed up. So she's got the right idea there. So one of the appeals of being out here off grid is having some comforts from home. And you got to get a little creative to do that. I just have the wood stove for cooking. I do have a small propane stove. I really haven't used that as of yet. But I had heard about this and I wanted to try it out. It's a Coleman Camp Oven. And this has actually been created to cook over a propane stove so you can control the heat. I'm going to try it on the wood stove and see how it works out. Because it's really nice sometimes when you want to heat something up to be able to put it in the oven, get it up to temperature. Or if you even want to bake something, you've got that option as well too. These have been around for years. I've never tried one. The design hasn't changed much. A lot of the reviews I've read are pretty good, but it's nice, it's compact, it folds down when you don't want to use it. And when you're ready to use it, it just kind of opens up into a cube and it allows the air to come up underneath it and warm the oven. I'm not sure how good I'm going to be able to regulate it on the wood stove. I'm going to put a trivet under it to raise it up a little bit if I have to. But let's give it a try today. I brought some pizza. We'll warm it up and see how it works. Let's see what we got here. Going to open this up. Looks like it's pretty good quality. It seems to be made out of some kind of aluminum. And there's two latches, one on the front, one on the back. Open these up and the whole thing opens up just like an accordion. And now what you have to do is you pull open the top, it goes into place, and the bottom goes into place as well. And then you latch your latches, and you're all set to cook. So you can see here, I'll open up the door, and you've got your fully assembled oven just like that. So it's super easy to use. Okay, so you've got a thermostat on the front here. We're going to see what temperature this gets up to. If I need to try to adjust it a little bit, I'm going to do that, and then we'll put some food in there and see how well it works. This stove's been going for a few hours now, so it's putting out a lot of heat. This is probably as hot as the stove will get, but I'm curious to see how hot that oven will get. I may find out that I just need to use this with a propane stove like it was made for, but hopefully we'll be able to heat on the wood stove as well too. So I'm a little bit surprised. It's been, the oven's been on the stove for about 20 minutes now, and the temperature is only 275. I'm guessing there's just not enough heat that comes out of that stove, even though it seems like so much heat, to really get this oven cooking. I think it's going to be good for reheating things, but if I really want to bake something in it, get it up to 350, 400, probably going to need to put it on top of the Coleman propane burner, which is what it's designed to do. But I just put some pizza in there. We'll see how it comes out. All right, so it never really went above 275 degrees, so we'll see how this did at reheating now. Looks like our pizza is done in there, so I'm gonna go ahead and pull that out. Looks pretty good, heated up nicely. I think though if we're going to do any serious cooking, we're going to have to put this on a propane burner going forward. But now we know. Wow, the creek is totally frozen over here. That's pretty amazing given the velocity of the water down there, that it has totally frozen over. So check it out. Remember the falls? Just a month ago I was hiking across these falls and they are frozen solid. I've never seen that before. That's how cold it is, that the falls have actually frozen solid right here. There is water underneath running, but Hemlock Falls are completely frozen. It's amazing. Hey, thanks for coming along and enjoying us here on Hemlock Ridge. Hopefully you can enjoy the peace and the freedom that this property brings. It's not everywhere you can do this anymore. Please hit subscribe, and until next time, we'll see you back up here on Hemlock Ridge.